Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are unraveling the mystery of payment processors by comparing two of the biggest names in the industry, Stripe and Adyen. Let's break it down and find out which one might be the best fit for your business needs. First up, let's talk features. Stripe is renowned for its developer-friendly API and a vast array of features. It offers everything from subscription billing to advanced fraud detection and even custom reporting tools. Stripe's sleek interface and comprehensive documentation make it a favorite among tech-savvy businesses and developers. On the other hand, Adyen brings to the table its robust global reach. With Adyen, you can accept payment from all over the world and in multiple currencies. Its strength lies in its unified commerce solution, which connects online and in-store payments seamlessly. Adyen also offers an impressive range of risk management tools to ensure secure transactions. Pricing plan. Stripe operates on a straightforward pricing model, charging 2.9% plus 13 cents per successful credit card charge in the US. There are no setup or monthly fees, making it a predictable choice for businesses. Adyen, however, offers an interchange plus model where fees are typically made up of the interchange fee charged by card networks plus a small markup. This can be more cost effective for businesses with higher transaction volumes or those operating internationally. Ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, Stripe leads the pack with its intuitive design and excellent developer tools. The integration process is seamless, supported by extensive documentation and a vibrant community to help troubleshoot any issues. Adyen isn't far behind, offering a robust API and strong support for large enterprises. It may have a steeper learning curve for smaller businesses, but its powerful capabilities are worth the effort for those needing a comprehensive global payment processors. Customer support. Customer support is another crucial factor. Stripe provides 24/7 support with quick response times, which is crucial for resolving any hiccups that may arise. Adyen offers dedicated account management and support for its large clients, ensuring personalized service which is ideal for enterprises dealing with complex payment needs. Now, heading to the conclusion. So, which one is the best for you? If you are a small to medium sized business or a tech focused startup, Stripe's simplicity and developer friendly approach might be just what you need. For larger enterprises with international ambitions and complex transaction needs, Adyen's global reach and integrated solutions could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comment which payment processor you are leaning toward or share your experience with Stripe or Adyen. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights into the tech that powers your business dreams. Until next time, keep innovating.